Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Marvarma. We are going to discuss alarm clock project. Here at the top of the project, here is a real time clock. Below this, here is the alarm area where all the alarms are listed. Here is an add button by clicking which we can add new alarms. We are going to set alarm timing and alarm label for which we are setting the alarm. By clicking OK, we can set the alarm. We can set as many alarms we want. When the alarm time reaches, it will show the buzzer and play alarm tone. Here when the alarm time reaches, it will play the alarm. Here is the alarm label showing. By clicking on the cross button, we can close the alarm and it will delete it from the list when it will over. We can also delete it manually by clicking the delete icon button. Here is everything. Here is the code in the index file. Here we add font awesome icon and some CDN links. Here is the custom style CSS. Here is our folder structure. Here is assets in which we added sound and one icon. Here is the index file and JavaScript files, CSS files. In JavaScript file we can see all the functions. Updating clock, it will synchronize system clock in real time. Here is the add listener, add alarm. It is everything about our clock project. This is the delete button where we can delete alarm, and by creating alarm we are using local storage to store our alarms. Here is the remove effects. Here is our CSS files. We can see also it is a responsive alarm clock project. It is responsive for each and every screen size. We can add alarms and it will respond for all the screen sizes. Thank you.